Hi everyone. So today's life skill is doing laundry. So this is a little checklist that you can use to guide yourself to make sure you're taking the right steps on doing your laundry. So number 1, bring laundry basket to the laundry room. Take clothing out of the basket and place on floor. That's number 2. Number 3, sort clothing into piles of colored and whites or nearly whites. Number 4, open washing machine. Number 5, place one of the piles into the machine. Remember to spread it out evenly around the machine. Number 6, add laundry detergent. Also, if you're going to put fabric softener, you can add it also. Number 7, turn machine on. Number 8, wait until machine has finished washing cycle, then open machine. Number 9, take clothes out and check that they are washed correctly. Number 10, put clothes in the dryer, select the appropriate setting and start the dryer. Or hang clothes on clothing line outdoors to dry. And number 11, after the dryer has completed its cycle, put clothes in the laundry basket and fold. Or if you have hung them in the line, bring clothing back inside. So those are some steps or some guidelines to help you doing your laundry. Now, let's keep going. These are examples of washing machines. It might not be the one that you have, but this is just an example. So remember, number 1, you're going to sort your colors. For example, all darks together, all light colors together. Number 2, half fill the washing machine with laundry with similar colors. Make sure the laundry has room to move when the machine is switched on. So remember, always make sure you place everything around. In this case, it's a standing washer, so you just place everything there. Don't pack the washer full, maybe halfway. That'll give the washer, the clothes enough space to move around and wash correctly. So number 3, you're going to pour 1 cup of detergent into the slot where it says detergent and 1 capful of fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, put 1 capful of fabric softener. Number 4, you turn the dial to 30 degrees to cotton. If you're going to wash cotton or beddings or delicates, you put it in the appropriate dial. And then you press start. So that would conclude our little pages or our PowerPoint presentation on doing your laundry. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you a video on how to do your laundry.
Laundry is piling up and it is time for Bobby to do Laundry is piling up and it is time for Bobby to do the laundry. Let's follow along as Bobby sorts, washes, and dries a load of laundry. Bobby begins the laundry process by checking the care label on all of the different items in her laundry basket. The care labels help her to sort the laundry by fabric, type, and color. Remember that sometimes the care label will tell you not to machine wash and dry the item, but to instead dry clean or hand wash. The care label also provides Bobby with specific machine washing and drying instructions, as well as laundry product recommendation. Bobby notes from the care label on the dark load of clothes that they can be machine washed in warm water with light colors with only non-chlorine bleach, which helps get rid of stains in the fabric, and tumble dry on medium heat setting. As Bobby finishes the sorting process, she has separate piles divided by color and fabric type. Let's watch Bobby as she washes a load of dark colored clothes. Bobby places the clothes into the washing machine, but makes sure not to pack the washer too tightly. Again, she remembers that the care label on the load of darks say that the clothes can be washed in warm water with light colors, so Bobby selects the warm water cycle. Bobby must select the appropriate laundry product while she washes the load of darks. Again, she refers to the care label on the load of darks she has separated and decides that just a standard laundry detergent that is non-chlorine bleach will do the trick. She then adds the detergent to the washing machine and closes the lid. A typical wash cycle lasts about 30 minutes, so Bobby will come back and check the washer in the next 30 minutes when the wash cycle is done. As Bobby read on the care label, this load of laundry can be dried in the dryer. So Bobby removes the clothes from the washer and places them into the dryer. Bobby remembers to clean out any lint from the lint filter, which may have been left from a prior load. Bobby then adds a dryer sheet, which will prevent static cling and will also act as a fabric softener. She then sets the drying cycle and the dryer temperature based on the instruction on the.
So that's awesome. You've learned how to do your laundry. So what we're doing next is this video. You can see it today, which is Tuesday, and tomorrow, Wednesday. But tomorrow also you will have some questions to answer. So let's go ahead and get started with our other work. And remember about tomorrow with your life skills. You'll watch the video again and then you'll answer some questions. Thank you.